performing, you thought it, you knew it, pedal to the metal. Your team is flooring, going very productive, they're working well together, and they understand each other, right? They're working together to build that product, to build those business objectives for the organization, and they're able to take even mishaps or even setbacks and work together to bridge them. Team members out sick, someone's able to step in. There's team members that might be a little behind, but other team members can step in and help them out and bring that team to success. As a leader, how do you change your leadership style to cater to this part of Tuckman's curve? Remember, the team is already performing, so your responsibility is actually to delegate. Low directive, low supportive. Let the team be owners and responsible for the process they work to deliver the product or business outcomes, and let them improve internally of what they think to be successful. As we go into the final stage, which is kind of not really a stage because it doesn't rhyme. To me, if it doesn't rhyme in this series of stages, I'm not sure if it exists. I think it was just to kind of say that teams don't last forever. They break up, there's different products. And so this is a journeying stage. And so we'll talk about that in a little bit. It's a quick one, but include it because it is part of his model.